Unit 1, Integers, Powers and Roots. We are starting exercise 1.1 Arithmetic with Integers. This video, at least we are trying to solve 6 math. So let's get started. Welcome to Mathzip. From today, we are starting a complete math journey using the Cambridge Checkpoint Mathematics 8 coursebook. If you are a grade 8 student preparing for Cambridge Checkpoint or just want to build a strong math foundation, this series is perfect for you. So let's start lesson and grow in math together with Mathzip. Exercise 1.1 Arithmetic with Integers. Number 1. Work out these additions. Number A. Here is 3 plus minus 6. Look, plus times minus, it will be minus. So 3 plus minus 6, it will be 3 minus 6. This plus and minus, it will be minus. So finally the answer is what? Minus 3. 11. Right? Number C. Minus 10 plus 4. So very simple, minus 6. Number D. Minus 10 plus minus 7. So it will be minus 10 plus and minus will be minus 7. Finally minus 17. Number E. 12 plus minus 4. 12 plus minus 4. So very simple, here is 12, plus and minus will be minus 4, and finally it will be 8. Question 1 done. Work out this addition number 2. Number A, here is 30 plus minus 20. So this is 30, plus and minus become minus 20. So our answer is 10. Number B. Here is minus 100, plus and minus it will be minus, then 80. So here is minus 180. Minus 20 plus 5, it will be minus 15. Minus 30 plus minus 70. It means minus 30 plus and minus it will be minus 70. So here is minus 100. Very simple. 45 plus and minus it will be minus, and here is 40. So our answer is 5. Number 2 done. Number 3, work out these subtractions. A. 4 minus 6 is a simple minus 2. Minus 4 minus 6 it will be minus 10. 6 minus 4 it's a very simple 2. Minus 6 minus 6 it will be minus 12, and finally minus 2 minus 10 again minus 12. So we are going to more harder step by step, right? So number 3 done. Number 4, write down additions that have the same answer as these subtraction, then work out the answer to each one. Look, it's a very important thing. First, here is 4 minus and minus 6. So very simple, these minus and minus finally become plus, then 6, answer is 10. Same, minus 4, minus and minus become plus 6, minus 4 plus 6 it will be plus 2. 8 minus minus, so 8 plus 2 it's 10. Minus 4, minus and minus it will become plus, and again 6, so here is 2. Finally here is 12, minus and minus it will be plus, then 10, answer is 22. So number 4 done. Number 5, work out these subtractions. A. 7 minus and minus, then 2. So 7 minus minus become plus 2. Finally 9. Minus 5, minus and minus plus 3. minus 5 plus 3, it will be minus 2. 12 minus minus plus 4, so here is 16. Minus 6 minus and minus plus 6, it will be 0. Minus 2 minus minus plus 10, so finally 8. Very simple. So 1 to 5 we already complete. Number 6 is one of the interesting and most important question. Here are some addition pyramids. Each number is the sum of the two in the row below it. Copy the pyramids, fill in the missing numbers. Number A. So here is, for example, 3 and minus 5, it will be minus 2. Next, minus 5 plus 1, it will be minus 4. Then minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. Similar, minus 2 minus 3, once we make addition, it means minus 2 plus minus 3, so it will be minus 2 plus and minus minus, then 3, and finally minus 5. So we can write in here minus 5. Minus 3 plus 5, it will be 2. Minus 5, 2, it will be what? Minus 3. Very simple. Next, 2 minus 4, it will be minus 2. Minus 4 minus 6, it will be what? Minus 10. Minus 2 plus minus 10, it will be minus 12. What about this one? Here is 3 and here is 2. So it's a very simple thing. We know 2, once we make summation, we will get the result. So here should be 1, because 1 plus 2 will be 3. Similar, here is blank. Look, minus 3 plus and then blank equals to 2. So what will be the result? This is positive. It means here should be what? 5. So minus 3 plus 5, it will be 2. And here is 1 and here is blank. So here is what? Here is, we can write like minus 4. So 5 plus minus 4, it will be 5 plus and minus minus 4, and finally 1. Right? It's a very simple. Now next, here is blank and here is minus 6. So what will be the result? Here should be minus 1. So minus 1, look, minus 1 plus minus 6, so minus 1 plus and minus minus 6 and minus 7. Next, here is minus 6 and here is 2. We need till something, so here should be minus 8. Minus 8 plus 2 minus 6, and here is minus 1 and here is minus 8. So what will be the result in here? It's very important. Like here is 7. 7, look, 7 plus minus 8. So 7 plus and minus 8 and then minus 1. So successfully complete. Number 6 done. Number 7. Here is a subtraction table. Two answers have already been filled. 4 minus minus 4, it will be 8. It's a very simple thing. Minus 4, minus 2, minus 6, also simple. Now we will follow, or we will complete our subtraction table. So first 4, look, 4, then minus, and then minus what? 4. So we get, here is 8. Done. Next 4, then minus, here is minus 2. So 4 minus and minus plus, and here is 2. So finally 6. So we can write in here 6. Next 4 minus equals to 4, right? So here is just 4. Again 4 minus 2, it will be 2. 4 minus 4, it will be 0. Simple. 2 minus minus 4, so minus and minus will become plus, so 2 plus 4, it will be 6. 2 minus minus 2, then minus and minus plus, 2 plus 2, it will be 4. 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 2, what? 0. 2 minus 4, minus 2. Simple. 0 minus minus 4. Now what will be the exact answer? Here is 0, then minus, then 4, so it's a plus, so here is just 4, right? Then 0 minus minus 2, so here is 2. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 2, 2. 0 minus 4, minus 0 minus 2, it should be minus 2, right? Then minus 4. Next, minus 2, minus and minus 4. So let's check in here. Minus 2, then minus 4. So here is minus 2 will be unchanged, minus and minus will be plus, and here is 4. Minus 2 plus 4, 2. So here is just 2. Minus 2, minus and minus 2. So same simple thing, minus 2 minus minus 2. So then minus 2, minus and minus plus, then 2, it will be 0. So here is 0. Minus minus and 0. So minus 0 will be nothing. So minus 2 minus 0. So here is just minus 2. So here is minus 2. Minus 2 minus then 2. So minus 4. Minus 2 minus and 4. It will be minus 6. Right? Minus 4. Minus and minus plus and 4. So here is 0. Minus and minus plus, so 2 plus 2 minus 4 plus 2, it will be minus 2. Minus 4 minus and 0, so here is just minus 4. Minus and minus 2, so minus 6. Minus 4 minus 4, so minus 8. So we are doing lots of math in this part, so no more today. This is the first part, right? Part 1 of unit 1, and we are starting from exercise 1.1, which is arithmetic with integers. So next lots of day we will try to practice of course Cambridge Checkpoint Mathematics 8, which is very important in our life, and it's a practice math for starting IGCSE, right? IGCSE. So no more today. My channel name is Mathzip. Please subscribe this channel. I hope you will get lots of things from this channel. Thank you.